To be honest, yes, the quarantine was really tough for us when we came in, staying in the room for 14 days and only going for practice and coming back. So, yeah, it was tough, but at the same time, you see, we are professionals and at least we are getting some games to play, so we can't complain on that. But I definitely know that they have planned against me, so I'm really happy. At least they are, coming up with a plan against me to get me out. So I feel very overwhelmed and I take it as a challenge because you see, I thrive under pressure and also, it really motivates me to go against them. And they set an attacking field which really helps me to score more runs. So I take an advantage of that and I see to it that I make the best use of it. No, I knew the short ball was going to come. So I got, I wasn't too, too frame of mind. I was thinking of pulling, and at the same time, I have this uppercut shot. So, I got stuck in between two thoughts and I couldn't play the shot. So maybe that's the reason I got stuck in one place and the ball came and hit the middle of the bat even that time. So, yeah, I can't actually, go back and think about those things. And in the second innings, when I came in the second match, I was like, just look at the ball and react. It's very easy to do that rather than thinking about what the bowler is going to bowl. You can actually predict when you are set and what the bowler is going to bowl. So I usually try to give myself a little bit of time at the start, and that's what I applied in the second match, and it really worked out well. Well, definitely we had this optional practice today where, few of our bowlers went for practice and also the batsmen, they went for practice. So definitely we are working on some routines and processes which haven't gone well for us in the last few games, and I'm sure that it's just the transition phase from 2020 to one day. It's really difficult, especially for the bowlers coming in and bowling 10 overs on a trot and, also fielding for 50 overs. So it's not at all easy from their point of view. And you see, there are many more matches coming ahead. So I'm sure that they will come back really stronger and with a positive frame of mind. अभी अब देखा जाए तो अभी हम लोग दुबई से खेल के आ रहे हैं, जिधर दुबई में इतना बाउंस नहीं था. अभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आए तो विकेट चेंज, और जिधर हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे वो एकदम ही अलग विकेट था और मैच में आके एकदम अलग विकेट मिल रहा है. तो ये बहुत जल्दी एक्लिमेटाइज करने को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है एज अ बैट्समैन. तो हाँ, मतलब एक तरीके से चैलेंज ही आपको बैट्समैन के हिसाब से. यू हैव टू एडजस्ट एज क्विकली एज पॉसिबल, irrespective of the conditions or atmosphere in the ground. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this challenge and there are many more matches to come, so we'll see what's going to happen. We'll see. The two losses, we are going to take it very positively because we played a really good cricket in terms of batting. Obviously the bowling wasn't up to the mark, but I'm sure that the bowlers, they are really positive with their work ethics. And also when we hit the gym today and the practice session, we could see few of the bowlers really going out there and practicing with certain plans, and the meetings have been spot on. So we are very much determined to go out there and win the next game and see to it that we don't have a clean sweep. Well, to be honest, I really don't know what's the talk going on, but if you see the amount of workload that they've gone through in the IPL, playing continuous 14 games and then after that coming here staying in quarantine, so definitely it plays in your mind and it plays with every individual in the team. It's not just the bowlers, but I'm sure that they are world-class bowlers, and with the mindset they have, they'll definitely come back strong in the next game. And I really believe in them and also the coaches who've been working with them. So yes, I wouldn't blame them for any other reason, but yeah, I'm really happy with the work ethics they've shown at the practice.